In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtask automations in ClickUp. If you want ClickUp to automatically create a subtask whenever a task moves into progress, this setup is a great way to save time and keep your workflow consistent. Instead of manually adding the same follow-up subtask again and again, you can let automation handle it for you. To get started, open the ClickUp list where you want this automation to run. This part is important because automations are often tied to a specific location in your workspace. So before you continue, make sure you're inside the exact list where you want tasks to trigger this rule. Once you're in the right list, go to the upper right corner and click the automations icon. This opens the automation panel, where you can view existing rules or build a new one from scratch. In the automation area, look under Other Automations and click Create Automation. This is where you'll define what event should happen and what action ClickUp should take automatically in response. Next, enter a name in the field labeled Name this automation rule. Give it a clear name that helps you recognize what it does later. For example, you might name it something that reflects that a subtask will be created when a task moves into progress. A descriptive name makes it much easier to manage your automations over time. Now choose the trigger. Set the trigger to status changed. This tells ClickUp that the automation should begin when a task changes from one status to another. After that, define the status change. Under From, select any status, and under To, select In Progress. This means no matter what status the task was in before, the rule will activate as soon as it moves into In Progress. For the action, choose Create Subtask. This is the step that tells ClickUp exactly what you want it to do once the trigger condition is met. Then, under Parent Task, select task that triggered this action. This ensures the new subtask is created under the same task that changed status, which keeps everything organized and connected properly. Now enter the subtask details. Add the subtask name first, since that will identify the new subtask when it appears. You can also optionally choose a template, status, description, and priority. These optional settings are useful if you want every generated subtask to follow the same structure or contain the same information. Once everything is set, review the rule carefully to make sure all the settings are correct. Then click Create to finish building the automation. That's it! Your automation is now ready, and ClickUp will automatically create that subtask whenever a task moves to in progress. Thanks for watching.